Hi everyone, I'm Jared, the head of product here at Kolleno, and today I'm going to show you how to delete a payment within NetSuite. Just a quick reminder, Kolleno is a NetSuite partner. We integrate into NetSuite, pull in your data and simplify your operations. But for today's purposes, let's hop into NetSuite. So, one thing to keep in mind is every NetSuite does look a bit different, and yours might be laid out a little bit different, but a couple of things hold true is the search bar should always be there, and you should always have this menu bar even though your options may differ. So basically there's a few different ways to delete a payment from NetSuite. The two ways that I would focus on today is you can either search for that payment directly within here, so into the search bar, payment, type in the number you're looking for. You can see a whole lot of popped up. Option number two is to go to a specific invoice. Now, when you're on the invoice, you've obviously got all the linked and related transactions that relate to the different invoices. So what I would recommend, the way to ensure that you're going to the right payment, is you go to the invoice, check the number, see it says paid in full, go across to history, and you'll see there's a few different points, and one of them is payment. Now from this, you can actually confirm the payment number and the payment that it relates to. And from there you could then just go double check and paste that in there, and you can go away, and I'll click on that. And once you go to that payment, we can see that the payment is now over here, and we can see it's actually applied to 2 invoices, and it's been fully applied. So that means, if it's fully applied, means that the full payment amount has been allocated. Unapplied means that there would be a balance to remain. So I'm going to hit edit over here. Now I've got two options. I can either come and untick the invoices, which means that payment now no longer belongs to those invoices, so it's now unapplied. So this is if you're going to reapply it elsewhere. Or what I could do is I could just go hit delete. Always be careful doing this because you would require to capture it again, and could change your financial close. So I'm going to hit delete, and then you are A for away and you're good to go. Check out the rest of our videos to learn more.